How come all of your men can eat all the pasta that they want, but still be as hot as they are?
Do you guys ever get sick of pasta?
Non vi stancate mai degli hot dog?
Because you eat it every day, I think. Or do you not?
No,
What can I do to marry a man like Claudio Marchisio?
diventi una velina.
How do I manage to stay tan all year round? Like, seriously, what's your secret?
Qual è il nostro segreto?
Why do you speak with your hands? It's really hard to concentrate when you're doing it.
Che cazzo dici? Non lo faccio mai. Scusa.
How are you so sexy? Like, how is that a thing? Like, what are your secrets to being so sexy?
In Italy, are there any road rules? And if there are road rules, why does nobody follow them?
Siccome siamo molto sexy e ci muoviamo sempre, distraiamo quello là dietro di noi con la macchina ed è sempre un casino.
Why do you guys have so many dialects?
Così diamo al doppiaggio dei Simpson quel che è in più.
So what's the deal with prego?
Qualcuno gli dice grazie e tu rispondi prego.
It's thank you? Prego.
Non ho mai detto prego a posto di grazie.
You're welcome? Prego.
Quello là è prego.
Here's some tomato sauce. Prego,
Grazie.
prego, prego,
Grazie.
prego.
Grazie.
What does it actually mean? Is it just everything?
No,
How come Mario Balotelli doesn't have his own show? He's hilarious and adorable.
è nero, qui in Italia farebbe strano in TV.
If I go to Italy, will I actually see a Super Mario Brother character walking around?
Se vado in America posso incontrare Capitano America in giro per la città.
What the fuck is up with your dinner structure? I don't know how any human could put all of that inside themselves.
Why do you like fish so much? Why does everybody in Italy just love fish?
Can you guys teach me how to cook? Because your dessert game is like really off the hook. Like, I love dessert in general, but like Italians kill it.
No. Fine? Ok.